Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Farooq Hassan. I am group leader of this group and my registration number is 122, and today we are performing monitoring blood pressure of human body, and we are of 10 groups. We will get help of our 10 friends. They will introduce to you.
Aslam-o-Alakum. My name is Abdul Junaid Makshi. My registration number is 06.
Mohammed Mubashir Mari.
My name is Fezan Ali, 2K24 AV 52.
My name is Huramal, first year DM.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Salman Ahmed, first year DVM.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Fahad.
My name is Yasir Ali, registration number 192.
My name is Abrar Zain.
So, 72
इन्हें जी रीडिंग आई है 103/72.
फर्स्ट क्लास थोड़ा घट पैसा है
This is BP apparatus and it is commonly used, and we have three readings. First is systolic, second is diastolic. Upper one is called systolic reading and the lower one is called diastolic. And his systolic reading is 103 and diastolic reading is 72. And the normal range is 120/80. And the difference between systolic and diastolic reading is called pulse rate, and his pulse rate is 91 and the normal pulse rate is 70.
जबरदस्त वाह
I am here to present assignment given by Professor Kachiwal. These are our group members and they helped us to do this assignment, complete assignment. So what is blood pressure? So basically blood pressure is the force exerted by the blood against the walls of arteries. And there are two types of blood pressure which are measured. First one is systolic, second one is diastolic. Systolic blood pressure is measured when heart is pumping the blood or beating, and the diastolic blood pressure is measured when heart is in the rest, and the unit of measuring blood pressure is millimeter mercury. So we have normal blood pressure ranges. Normal blood pressure ranges varies on species, age and individual animals, but we have average values. Average values are of dog is the systolic pressure is 90 to 140 millimeter per mercury. Diastolic pressure of dog is 50 to 80 millimeter mercury. And if we talk about cats, then systolic pressure is 80 to 140 millimeter mercury, and diastolic pressure is 55 to 75 millimeter mercury. And here canine and feline are written. Blood pressure in mammals from mice to whales. Now we will talk about mammals. So typical ranges we have talked about. Dogs have systolic blood pressure between 110 to 160 millimeter mercury, while cat ranges from 120 to 170 millimeter mercury. Horses fall within the range of 90 to 140 millimeter mercury. These ranges represent average values, because we have talked about in previous slide that individuals vary due to their breed or due to their age or due to their environment. And size and metabolism, this also plays a various factor, various role to blood pressure. Smaller mammals like mice tend to have relative blood pressure compared to larger animals such as elephant. Due to their metabolic rates, mice have higher metabolic rates, so they need high blood pressure to circulate blood efficiently. If we talk about adaptations, so that giraffe are tall, so they need more blood pressure, more force to overcome the force of gravity. So that's why they have more adaptability and have more blood pressure. So now we talk about birds, reptiles and amphibians' unique physiological adaptations. So if we talk about birds, they have higher blood pressure than mammals due to their flying ability, due to their high metabolic rates. Their demand of flight required more blood pressure for them. And if we talk about reptilian blood pressure, it is influenced by activity and temperature. They have systolic blood pressure ranges from 25 to 75 millimeter per mercury, which fluctuate based on their environment. You know that reptiles have different environment. They are under the ground, so that's the reason. And if we talk about amphibians like frogs, have low blood pressure, typically 30 to 60 millimeter mercury systolic. This affects their lower metabolic rate. Because they have low metabolic rate, that's why they have low blood pressure, and it means their oxygen, their environment have low availability of oxygen. Thank you, that's it.